I'm Micah.
I'm Rainbow.
And welcome back to our channel,
Freedom from Disturbance.
Okay, once again, thank you so much for rocking with us on another video. And as you see, we are in nature!
It's beautiful out here.
We decided to bring you guys along with us this week as we did our weekly hike. We do it every Friday. Here we're at
Mount Charleston, the Mary Jane Falls.
Trail.
Beautiful. It's about a 2-mile hike up. Oh, maybe 1 mile. About a mile hike up.
That's so worth it.
Was that
so worth it?
I think it's more. I calculated my steps that what I've already walked today, so I have to go back and see exactly how far this trail is. But it's pretty lengthy, and it's basically a straight way up.
That's pretty steep. Yeah.
It is. So it's definitely, it can be a little challenging, and but you know what? We have children, and all of them did it.
Yeah. So, I have a 4-year-old, and he made it up
He
here.
did awesome.
Very proud of him.
Yeah. So if they can do it, you can do it too.
Absolutely.
That's right.
So thank you so much for rocking with us on this video. Check out the clips that we have from our hike. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button.
And definitely check out this mountain. I mean, the scenery is absolutely gorgeous. The waterfalls are beautiful. The water is fresh and delicious. Like, you can't ask for better water.
Yeah. No, it is definitely worth the hike. So from us to you,
peace.
I think we're kind of lost. Don't know, like the trail we was looking for. Don't know if we can find it, so we're gonna see what we can do.
Oh, you're going, yep, one in front of the other. Okay. Jordan, you scared?
You have failed your people.
Now you will die. I'm not gonna snort you, Ezra. I made my spot. Y'all better stop throwing snow, Ezra. Y'all know he's just getting over a cold.
We're like halfway there, but guys, check out this view.
Our view.
Look at all that snow in Nevada.
Gorgeous.
Yeah? How you guys doing?
Great. It's finished.
Jalen, how you doing? Good. Do a snow dance. Snow dance. Snow dance. Snow dance. Snow dance. Do the snow dance. Do the snow dance. Do the snow dance.